chicken, each piece can be made into a different thing. Like take chicken wings, making these drums of heaven. We used to call drums of heaven once upon a time, and a lot of restaurants serve these chicken wings. So it is very easy. When you get the chicken, especially the wing part, all you need to do is, cut and trim the edge of the bone, then just pull out the meat, and then you have these chicken wings, which you can cook and make it very, very tasty. Let's make these chicken lollipops with a nice sauce. Hello, namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to make these chicken wings, and usually we do two ways. One thing is make nice masala and coat these chicken wings and deep fry. That is one way. The second way is you make a mild batter, fry them, and later toss them in a nice flavored sauce. We're going to do the second method. We're going to make a nice batter. For this, take around 1 or 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of corn flour. We're going to add a little bit of flavoring salt. My favorite spice is 5-spice powder, which is used in a lot of Chinese cooking. Very easy to make. In this, what I do is add more of fennel, cinnamon stick, and star anise, and then you can mix it with your own garam masala and then make your 5-spice powder. If you want, you can also add a little bit of chilli powder, not much, very little. In this, we're going to add a little bit of egg and then pour in some water and make a thin batter. In this, add a little bit of salt, and once this batter is nicely mixed, now we are going to coat this chicken wings and fry them. Do not make it a thick batter. Make it mild so it's nice and tasty. Take these chicken wings, whatever you've done, apply like this, make it like a marination and leave it in this for at least half an hour, then they are ready to fry. After half an hour of resting, this will be nice and perfect. So now just fry it in the oil for few minutes. Anyway, we are going to coat it with a nice sauce. So this has to be mild and nice. On a slow cooking for around 6-7 minutes, these will be done. Your chicken wings, look at them, they are nice. Now we are going to make an excellent sauce for them. Now add some oil in the pan. In the oil, add finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger. I'm just going to add some chili sauce, some apple cider vinegar, add some soya sauce. In this, add some flavoring salt, little bit of sugar, add some 5-spice powder, and also I'm going to add some water. You have to taste this. If this is good, your sauce will be nice. The sugar, even if it doesn't melt here, it will start melting. Pour it in the pan. In this, I'm going to add some red chilli just for nice flavoring. So here, I've got some corn flour in the water and just add very little. As soon as you add this, it will get slightly thickened. Look at this. Now, we're going to add chicken wings. These wings will become nice, shiny and well coated with this. That sweetness will make them really, really good. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds, these roasted ones, and sprinkle a little bit of some chopped shallots, and these are super awesome. Get these awesome chicken wings and wow, look at them. They're nice, wonderful, and most importantly, they're super tasty. Wow magic with Chef Mani. can make, not necessarily that I'm going to eat this with noodles, but you can always make some nice vegetable noodles. In this, we're going to make a nice garlic flavor, add extra garlic. Never burn the garlic, otherwise it will get bitter. Just slight about to get color, add onions, some chili flakes. We're going to do this on the side. See, look at that. Nice color from the red chilies coming out. That will give that nice flavor for the noodles. Now mix the onion, add sprouts, add noodles. Here I've got a little bit of 5-spice powder, my garam masala kind of powder. Add some pepper powder, some soya sauce, a little bit. I'm going to add some fish sauce, regular salt, little bit of flavoring salt. Just toss this. I want it even more spicy, so a little bit of chili sauce. On a high flame, toss them. The flavor will get into this noodles and you can enjoy it with anything, and this will be perfect. Finish it off by adding some spring onion. This is ready. Enjoy this awesome noodles, really, really hot. Put these hot noodles, wow. Chicken lollipops with a nice sauce, you know. This is nice and yummy. The sugar is controlling the whole thing. And now with the noodles, always, you know, smoking hot, and whether as a snack or as a side dish, chicken lollipops are the best. And especially the chicken lollipops, I eat them clean. Clean in sense, every part of it is lickable. When you have such kind of perfect garlic noodles, the aroma itself is filling the air. Of course, some fish sauce, everything is added. My lovely, lovely lollipops. Just juicy and perfect. Make them, eat it, and keep saying whatever, because they are so good.